You can see the levels of autonomy. The first level is the zeroth level, so there is no autonomous. Everything is a mechanical component. Only the driver can access all the components. And you can see in the level 1, that is the first level, driver assistance. Vehicle is controlled by the driver, but some driving assist features are included in the vehicle design. Example, cruise control. And the next is the partial automation. Here you can see here there is a second level of automation, partial automation. So vehicle has a combined automated function like acceleration, steering, but the driver is to be engaged with the vehicle for monitoring the environment at all the times. And you can see the next level, that is a level 3 of autonomous vehicle, that is conditional automation. So here driver is a necessity, but it is not required to monitor the environment. In the previous level, the environment should be monitored by the driver. So here in the conditional automation, the environment can be monitored by using the inbuilt system of vehicle. So the vehicle to be the decisions are to be taken by the vehicle. The driver is just used to monitor the system physically, but the environment and the control can be taken by the vehicle system itself. The last level is the high automation. There the vehicle is capable of performing all driving functions under certain conditions. The driver may have the option to control the vehicle. The last is the fully automated. There the driver may have an option to control, but everything is controlled by the system itself. And you can see the difference in all the levels, and you can see the image it is represented above the description, that uh, so the different levels you can see here. The driver with the steering is the logo that is used in all the levels of autonomous. The first level, zeroth level, and the last level, up to the last level, the system is equipped with the certain conditions. Yes. So in zeroth level, first level, second level, third level, the driver is primarily required. Whereas the high automation level and full automation level, the driver is not required. Only the passenger is sufficient to travel in the vehicle. And this is the slide which represents the number of sensors used in the vehicle, autonomous vehicle. Radar, LiDAR, GPS, ultrasonic sensor, central computer, radar, video cameras, dedicated short range communication receivers, ultrasonic sensor, central computer, light detection ranging, LiDAR, global positioning system. So these are the things that are basically into the vehicle for making it as an autonomous vehicle. So let us see the function of each system in the upcoming slide. The first is about the camera. Camera is used to provide the real-time data for the vehicle about it detects the object and it finds the obstacle, and also it detects the lane. For example, if you travel in a highway and you are supposed to travel in a particular lane, the lane speed indications or the signs in the over the road that can be captured by the camera, and it sends the ECU about the speed limit. For example, if you're traveling in a highway, the speed limit is 80, means that 80 is the speed limit, means that 80 is speed limit in this particular line. That is information given to the ECU by means of a camera. So next is about the radar. The radar is a short form of radio detecting and ranging. It sends continuously the sound signal. The sound signal will go forward or in the emitted direction, and it is returned back after it is reflected. So the radar finds the time of sound wave emitted and received, so it calculates distance. So it provides the obstacle distance to the ECU. That is a primary of radar. LiDAR is similar to the radar. Instead of sound waves, light waves are emitted by the LiDAR. The same operation is carried out here. Instead of sound, here it is light. Then the GPS, we know that it is a geographical positioning system. It uses the satellite information and it positions the vehicle to travel to a certain distance, and this system is used for the navigation. So navigation where the particular path is having a traffic or not, everything is indicated by using the GPS, that is a system that gets data from the satellite. The next sensor is the ultrasonic sensor. This ultrasonic sensor is used to detect the blind spot where the system or the vehicle comes in a close range. This system, the sensor detects immediately, and it starts indicating the ECU about the close range of vehicle. And the central computer is nothing but the brain of the vehicle, that is the ECU. It receives information from all the subsystems, and it determines the action to be taken over the different systems. So DRSC is the dedicated short range communication, DSRC or DRSC. It is used to have communication between the vehicles as well as the infrastructure. So these are the other systems, that is a easy electronic control unit. You can see the airbag, driver assist system, engine steering, brakes, onboard diagnostics, dedicated short range communication based receiver, USB port, keyless entry. Yes, nowadays there is no key for the vehicle. There is only a small vehicle remote is there that you can carry, or sensor nowadays is used, or a smartphone kind of activity can be used. So the key is eliminated. And the next thing is the tire pressure monitoring system that measures the tire pressure of the vehicle, and it indicates in the dashboard, and automatically there is a system to inflate the tires of individual wheels through the action of ECU. So these are other systems that are used in the vehicle. So here it is a data about a statistical data that tells about the autonomous vehicle pattern. So you can see Bosch, Audi, Continental, Ford, GM, BMW, Toyota, Volkswagen, Daimler, Google. They all having a pattern on autonomous vehicle, the technology used in the autonomous vehicle. So it is a worldwide, and Bosch is the leader of autonomous vehicle patterns according to a statistical report from 2010 to 17. And this is about the data where in which that over a vehicle, Toyota is a leader of number of autonomous vehicle pattern. So over 1400 patents are having owned by the Toyota. So Google is also one of the patent holder where it ranked 26th compared to all companies with autonomous vehicle patent. So this Google is a not a hardware patent, it is a software, that is a programming patent owned by the Google. So this is autonomous driving aids, that is a navigating vehicle without a human input from passenger. Yes, so the GPS is the data used to navigate the vehicle. Driver assistant is nothing but it enhances the vehicle system for safety and improve driving when driver is in control. This technology includes blind spot, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, as well as intelligent braking, traffic sign recognition, automatic braking, and adaptive cruise control. These are the subsystems. Yes. Then the telematics. Telematics is the communication between, as I told you already, vehicle to vehicle, vehicle to infrastructure. Yes. So artificial intelligence is the one technology now. It is booming nowadays in all the fields of engineering. So in automobile, it is boomed in the year 2020 as through autonomous vehicle. So the artificial intelligence is used to monitor the environment and to perform actions to give inputs to the easy. Yes. So the rest of the things we have explained, and we will see in the upcoming days.